If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Renegade Latitude in slate blue. With halogen headlamps, cornering front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, bright exhaust tip, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 10,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5673.